I'm so in love. This is my new favorite wig. Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. As you know, I am Kashay the Rockstar, and today I am doing something a little bit different, y'all. So I have Yolissa's wigs with me today, and I will be doing a wig install. But first things first, let's get into this unboxing, okay? So as you can see, the packaging is a really cute, like nice sturdy shoebox type packaging, right? Let's pop this lid. First thing I'm presented with is the wig. So I got an HD skin melting transparent wig. And one thing I love is that they have cap sizes. I got a little teeny peanut head. So this is a small cap size, and it's 22 inches, a 13x4 lace frontal. So let's get into it. After the wig, I have a whole bunch of goodies. Come on now, because I didn't put my lashes on today. And they got me some, period. So these 3D lashes, I don't know if you can see. Yes. Oh, they got me a silk edge wrap. A HD wig cap. Yes, ma'am. A melting elastic band. Okay. Because this is a nice little goodie bag. A cute little edge brush. And a satin bag. So let's get started. I'm gonna take this wig out so we can see what we're working with first. I'm so excited, y'all. I haven't done one of these in so long. Alright. Ooh. Okay, come on, bounce, bounce. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. These knots are bleached already, because I just knew I was going to have to pause this video and bleach the knots. I am pumped. This wig is ready to be installed. It's ready to wear. It's styled. Oh. Then they have the elastic band in the inside. Y'all might be on to something. This hairline looks phenomenal. Like, get into it.
Amazing.
Yo, listen, I love y'all. I love y'all. Y'all just made my life so much easier, because if you are a hairstylist or a beauty enthusiast or a beauty lover, then you know the customization takes hours. And the simple fact that you guys have already done it, you know what? I'm not going to do anything to this wig. I'm going to just install it. Because it's giving, I could just really pop it on. It's giving very much. Wow. You have to be me. It's giving very much. I could just pop it on. Y'all, look. Woo, I got chills. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna braid my hair down. Probably just slick it down a little better than this and put this wig on. BRB. All right, everybody, my hair is braided down. So we're gonna go ahead and slick back these edges with that gots to be. I'm gonna use their nice cute pink edge brush that they sent me. The bristles on the brush isn't too soft or too hard, so it's like just right, like Goldilocks. Now that my edges are slicked back, you may have thought I was going to put on a cap, but nope. I do not like wearing caps on myself personally, and this wig is customized so nicely that I don't need it. So I'm just going to adjust the elastic band, pop it on, and just measure it up with my hairline. I'm lining it up with my hairline to make sure it's a nice fit, and honestly, you would have thought I sent them a picture of me and my hairline, because this was perfect. So after that, I'm going to take my foundation color and brush it in the inside of the wig. After I tint the lace, then I'm going to hot comb the edges back. Now I'm going to pop it on and line it up with my hairline. So when I'm doing my own, I like to cut 2 slits on the side so I can adhere the wig in sections. Then I'm going to apply 3 layers of that good old bold hold. Of course, I would squeeze out too much, but that's okay. I have a whole hairline. I like to do 3 thin layers, and I really don't worry about it getting on the edges of my hair because I know how to take my wigs off properly. But if you aren't a pro and really, you know, don't have the necessities as far as the products to remove the glue safely, then I would suggest using the HD wig cap. But for me, I really don't like the cap, so I'm just going to apply it right in front of my hairline. Once that adhesive goes clear, I'm going to apply the middle section first. I'm using the teeth of my comb to like push it in. Then I do the right side and then the same exact thing on the left side. For some reason, I decided to comb up my hair. I guess it was getting on my nerves, but next step is to cut that excess lace. It is definitely giving scalp, okay? Be careful when cutting around your ear. So make sure you do the same exact thing on the other side. This lace looks so good, y'all. Now you're gonna go ahead and tack on that lace that did not stick or the lace that you wanted to keep. Now I'm going to apply the Yolissa Hair edge wrap. And my hair is pretty much done. Like, that's the crazy thing. style these lashes while my lace is melting. These babies are cute. They literally just pop on. Come on, freebie. Then take your edge wrap off. If you want to cut layers, do what you want to do. I had cut a little bit of layers off camera and curled just the 2 front pieces, but I am done. Okay, y'all. As we can see, this wig is like, I really didn't have to do much. I'm so in love. This is my new favorite wig. Like, get into it. Get into it. We want a nice little flip over action. And it's nice and snug. Yes. Yolissa, y'all got it over here. 10 out of 10. 10 across the board. Okay. Thank you so much. If you have made it this far and finished the video, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all think about this Yolissa wig. So this is really it for me. But let me know what y'all think. Bye.